Hello traders, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new free video analysis. Now in today's video we will take a look on Nikkei and dollar yen because those two markets are trading very tightly together. So I will now label the wave count on Nikkei futures and we'll look for a potential direction in the next few days, and at the same time we will also take a look on dollar yen and maybe if we can take advantage on that pair, which means that if the Nikkei will move to the downside we should see something similar on dollar yen. Okay, so on Nikkei we can see that market has turned significantly to the downside. I think that this top has been formed here. Even if just temporary, I'm looking for even lower levels. Now from an Elliott wave perspective I can see this leg down in 5 waves, which means that trend has changed, while this recovery is in a corrective manner. So it supports the idea that this was just a pause with an ongoing downtrend. So I'm looking down on Nikkei futures. Now if we just label the wave count here, this was wave 1, wave 2, probably wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Now we have an overlap here, which is fine because I'm looking here for a leading diagonal. Okay, so this was wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 to the downside. Now I'm looking here for a free wave rally, as I said. So free wave correction, we label this in ABC. So this was an ABC move, and the most important regarding the coming direction was this fall. Okay, now this decline was very strong, very sharp. We have seen a move through the lower side of this corrective channel, so I'm looking and expecting more weakness because, as I said, this has unfolded impulsively. So I suspect that this free wave rally has finished here, which means that I'm looking for a move back beneath this low. Okay, now this is also a free wave move. So if we compare this free wave move to this free wave move, we can assume that market will make something similar, sharp move to the downside. So I'm also looking for sharp move to the downside. So let's assume that this is wave 1, this is wave 2, okay, and these are subwaves in wave 2, A, B and C. Okay, I also like the idea that we are approaching towards this upper trend line. So when you see a decisive break like here through the support line, you would love to see a pullback and a test of this trend line that will react as a resistance. So I'm looking for a reversal to the downside. Now 38, 50 and 61.8% retracement levels are the most important to me on this pullback, so I'm looking for a reversal to the downside from that zone. So if this will happen, then obviously we could take advantage of dollar yen to the downside. So now I will take a look on dollar yen, and on dollar yen chart, here is now daily chart. Now this was also a leading diagonal. Okay, so this is a first leg of a larger free wave retracement. Now if I zoom this in, you will actually see that this on a weekly chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 legs up, so we definitely expect a corrective retracement. So I'm looking for a free down. As I said, I label this as a leading diagonal in the first leg of this free waves decline. So I will label this as a wave A, wave B, and looking down for a wave C. Now market is moving quite sideways here. Okay, we didn't see so strong move to the downside like in Nikkei futures. In fact, this trend line held here as a support, but that it doesn't mean that the market will not continue to the downside. I'm still looking for more weakness, and I'm observing this potential triangle here in a wave B on dollar yen. Okay, So maybe we will get more sideways price action in days ahead, but the idea is that with bearish view on Nikkei futures, I'm expecting also that dollar yen will sooner or later break to the downside. Okay, maybe we'll see immediate decline to the downside, or we will see a sideways price action before we get break to the downside. Okay, so in either case, I'm looking for more weakness, but currently could see more sideways before the breakout will occur. I'm looking for a critical invalidation level. Just a second. Short-term critical invalidation level is here at 103.77 or 76. So it's actually the same high as on Nikkei. Okay, from March 7th. Okay. Here is March 7th as well. So I'm looking for more downside on dollar yen, and will be looking for evidence of a completed sideways move before we may pull trigger on the short side. Now here I also have an overlay chart just to confirm that markets are trading together. This is on a daily time frame. You can see in black we have a dollar yen and blue Nikkei futures. So I'm looking for both to continue to the downside. Okay, and now, okay traders, I hope this helps, and I will catch you next time with our new free video. Have a good day.